This is Rails blog in VS Code post comments. In this video, you learn how to add comments to each post. Welcome, let's get started. If you get stuck, please see my repo. Navigate through this directory. Right. Let's go to the step 0, download the last post and prepare your VS Code environment. Let's click here. This is the version 5. Download it, save it in the download folder. Fine. Now let's go to the download folder and let's run this, delete this, let's rename it to verse 6. Fine. And let's shorter name Rails blog v6. Fine. Let's cut this and paste it in the Rails project right here in this folder, and let's open with VS Code here. Fine. The VS Code is open. Now let's rearrange this screen and let's go to this step 0. Let's go to the terminals. Let's delete this terminal, right? And let's drop the tables. Rails db drop. Fine. Now Rails db migrate and Rails db, let's put this file right here. Let's go only not 10 but 12, two times, only 2 times. Save it and let's save, and let's go to the Rails db seed, Rails db seed to line. Okay, now bundle install. Fine. And let's see if everything is fine. Rails S, choose start the server, and I think everything is fine. We are not logged in. Let's log in. You can log in with this example at example.com. Password is password and log in. Fine. Close this file. There's Windows, and we are now in example. Let's put the name of the example and let's update. Fine. Let's close this and let's see example right here. Okay, let's see the blog. Only 2 blog. Let's see. Okay, the blog is 1 is fine. The block 0 show this block 0 is fine. Okay, there you have it. Now let's return to the code, to the page. Step 1. Let's make an association. Okay, each comment belongs to only one post and belongs to only one user. Okay, with that in mind, let's Control C to kill the server, and let's Rails G generating model, name it comment singular, post column belongs underline to, and user column belongs underline to. Hit enter, and there you have it. Let's clear. Fine. And let's go to the step 2. Let's install the rich text, install action text. Let's run Rails action text underline text colon install. Run this command, clear, and let's go to the step 3. Let's create a new form in a new folder. The folder name it comments. Let's go to the views. See, app views, create a new folder and name it comments. Find inside this new file and underline form singular dot html dot erb. Find and let's paste this chunk of code right here, save it, and now let's go to this step 4, config router and routes, and let's see, go there, sorry, let's not app but config routes, go right here, control V, sorry, Control C, Control V, right here, Control S to save. Find step 5, type in the post show right below the div. Let's go there. Let's go to the views, post, and show right here, and let's copy this, Control C, Control V, Control S, save it. And step 6, let's generate comments controller, and in a terminal type RailsG controller, and the name of controller comments plural. Hit enter. Okay, step 7, we have to go to this file. Let's clear this up and go to the app controller. Let's see, app controller, comments controller right here, and let's paste right this class right here and save this file. And now the step 8, go to the app controller. Let's see, again, app controller, post controller, and let's paste it right below the show method right here. Save it, find step 9. Let's go to the comments.rb in models. Okay, app models, comments.rb, and let's type it has the rich text. Save it, find, go to the post.rb right here and type this line to make the association. Control S to save, find, and step 11, let's go to the user right here and right below here, Control S to save it, and there you have it. Step 12, let us display a single post with associated comment. We have to go to the views, show.rb. Let's go to the app, views, posts, show.rb, And let's go copy all this code in the place of this one, save it, and now let's go to this step 13. Let's make the partial, create a new file in the comments directory, app, views, comments directory, new file, this one, underline comments, and let's paste right here this chunk of code. Fine. 14, and there you have it. Let's see if everything is working fine. Rails S to see if everything is fine. Hope so. Let's see. Fine. Let's run the pending migration. Okay, now let's see. We have in example login blog. Let's see. All right, this is the, let's see the comments goes here, and let's replay. Fine. Okay, let's delete. Everything is fine. Let's comment goes here again. Comments goes here again. Let's see, replace. Fine. Now let's go to another user. Let's back to the post and see if we can sign out. Fine. Now let's go to sign in. We want to log in, sign up. Let's go to the another example, another the person, password, save it, close this, blog. Okay, let's create another blog, a new blog to this first blog of another user. Comment, no, here, this is the contents of another user, and create this. Fine. Okay, and let's see, back to the post. Let's see, let's comment this post of another user. Okay, another comment here, another comment here, place. Okay, everything, this is another, but I can delete the another, goes here, example.com, another.com. Fine, everything is all right. That's it. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel.